Hi, welcome to Ayurooms. We're filming room 202 today, which is one of the top rooms here at Ananda Lakshmi. Right? Ananda Lakshmi is the latest partner resort of Ayurooms. It is now May 15th, 2025 when we're shooting this film. And I want to start by showing you my favorite part, which is this beautiful balcony. The balcony overlooks the pool. I also have a sea view from my balcony, and it's absolutely spectacular. And the good thing about being on the second floor as opposed to the ground floor is second floor or first floor, however you want to call it, if it's above ground, generally they have fewer insects, creepy crawlies. What I like also is the mosquito net, all right? And yes, you do need the mosquito net because you are in the lap of nature. And if you keep the doors wide open like this, chances are in the evening, you're going to get mosquitoes coming into the room, right? This, you can see the lights are completely off. So the amazing part is, despite it being, 4:15, 4:20 right now in the afternoon, an abundance of natural light flows into the room because you've got windows on all sides. You also have a full-length mirror over here to my right. So, that's a good feature to have, especially women like to have a full-length mirror. I would also say that you have a decent size wardrobe, and they have a safe, and they give you a key for the safe, all right? So you can take this, you can put your rings, your watches, your expensive belongings, passport, whatever you need. Let's go into the bathroom, check it out. All right, so I've now put on the light in the bathroom. So you have a shower curtain, which is great because not all the bathrooms in India come with a shower curtain. It's often a rarity. You have a rainfall shower up there, which is flush with the roof. Interesting. False ceiling over there. You have robes that they give you for the Ayurvedic treatments. I'm often asked that, do they give you clothes to wear? And yes, they do. All right, so you've got robes, you've got disposable underwear, what we call loin cloths, that you wear and then you go to the treatment. Right? You've got a single, they do give you shampoo, conditioner, very high quality toiletries. All right? So that's your bathroom, pretty decent. You have a table over here. This is mainly just to keep things, store your belongings. I don't use it as a study table. What I was doing is when I was working at this particular resort, this was my study table over here. Okay? So I treated this as the study table, and the benefit of the study table is you have your electrical outlets here. You've got drawers where you can keep your laptop and keep your things. You have lights that you can control. For example, you can put a light on right above your study table. Okay, these lights control the outside lights. You also have night lights on both sides of the bed. That's another neat feature to have. So you can put the night lights on to create the right lighting in this room. You do have an overhead ceiling fan as well.